And of course, because this day is a very special day to all of us dahil second day na ng grand opening ng Jollibee Timbalan. Makakasama rin natin ang nag-iisang bida ng saya at best friend nating lahat na naritan. May dalawang malalaking mata, bibig na laging nakatawa at kung lumakad ay kakaiba at kung may kending-kending pa. Ladies and gentlemen, your best friend, my best friend and our best friend, Jollibee! And of course, ayan, mga jolly customers ng Jollibee Timbalan, mamaya we will be giving you time para makapag-meet and greet kasama ang buong Jolly Town Barkada.